Other video things you need to know. Having a camera as a video camera is pretty powerful. And I'll put it in frame of reference as this. What disadvantages does a video camera have? Usually it has the inability to change the lens. With this camera, there is no such thing as not being able to change the lens. So I can stick any lens I want on it. Here's a fisheye lens. So let's look through the fisheye lens at the video. So here I have this little lever. I got to rock it back to get into live view, and then I'll zoom in on the screen. And you can see that the fisheye lens distorts the scene in some manner. That's kind of cool. So you have a higher viewing distance on the sides. Also, things that are really close get distorted. So my hand becomes really small or big or whatever. But you get the idea. Taking a picture of a puppy, awesome, big-headed puppy, can't be beat on video. Now, other things you could do is this. This camera has the ability to change the modes. So in this case, I have effects or scene. If you change it to scene and start shooting video, it's going to affect the video. You can rock this back and forth and get different looks with the video, whether it be overexposed, underexposed, or hot or cold. Okay? So there's a warm tone to it, like a red, or a blue tone correlating to the coldness or coolness of it. That's all because aperture changes and ISO changes. Here, we also have effects. Now, effects are the goofy stuff. So if we go paging through it, we get stuff like the sketch or miniature effect or color dodging, night vision. I don't think the night vision is actually real night vision. It just makes it easier to see in the dark. It's not using IR light. But other than that, a lot of cool stuff that you can play with as far as video is concerned. Now, I draw the line of teaching camera-specific things, like the Nikon D5100 has scenes, but none of my other Nikon cameras have that. So when it comes to camera-specific things, I make students read the manual. So if you want to know anything about the effects on this camera, that's where I say you must look at the manual. After all, the dying art of read cannot die. It must go on. Not everybody has to have a video for everything. So let's go on to the next video, that being said.